Hey, aloha, investors. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today, I just wanted to make a video to update everybody on how my portfolio has managed and handled. This week, the market was up and down. We're still dealing with the CV situation. Hopefully, in the next couple of weeks, things will get better. For those of you that are new to the channel, aloha and welcome. Basically, this channel is basically what I said in the beginning. Is I created this started this M1 Finance challenge. Basically, I put about $50 a week, which equals to about $200 a month. I just wanted to experiment and show that people can invest in small amounts. Eventually, if you continue to be disciplined and have the commitment to at least invest, then you will see your portfolio grow over time. So basically, this is a channel where you can actually see that if you just make that commitment, that you can actually invest, even if it's small amounts. The main thing is that you just start investing. So hopefully, if you like what you see, subscribe and hit subscribe, hit that like button, and make a comment. It helps out the channel. For those of you that have subscribed so far, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. Other than that, let's take a look at the portfolio and see how it handled this week. All right. So basically, I made some deposits. So portfolio right now it's about 653. The whole week I was down $16, which is pretty much down 11%. I made some few changes into the portfolio. I increased the percentage in the bonds. So I upped it to 25%. I figured I would make some changes to my portfolio to deal with the volatility of the market right now. So I figured I'll increase my bonds for now and see how that goes. For my bonds area, pretty much I'm up 25%. So these are the bonds that I'm investing at. One of the things I love about M1 Finance is that you can create these pies to show you that there's sectors that you can kind of individually make. So that's one of the things that I like about it. So for my ETF sector, these are the three that I chose: VTI, VOO, and OBL. This sector I'm down 9%. For my real estate, I'm only up 7%. These are the ones that I chose. Like all these things: LTC, Stag, Store, Well Tower. So for my technology, I'm down 14%. Apple has been handling it pretty okay. My Cisco went down 50%, and then my Texas Instrument is down 27%. For my technology, so it's down 14%. Utilities, I'm up 12%. These are the four companies that I have for my sector. So for my healthcare, I'm up only 7%. Johnson & Johnson, Abbey, which is one of my favorite ones, UNH, Cardinal Health, and Pfizer. So for my consumer defense, Costco, Target, Walmart, PepsiCo, Kimberly-Clark, Coca-Cola, Walgreens, Procter & Gamble. Then you got General Mills and Hormel. So those are my sector. Financials got hit this week. So for me, this sector is down 48%, but that's okay. I'm going to still continue to invest in these. If you look at my US Bancorp is down 70%. Wow. Bank of America is down 64%, and then my Wells Fargo is down 73%. Communication only up 3%. AT&T, Verizon, Cable One, Comcast. Industrial down 26% on this sector. So waste management is one of my favorite ones. I made some changes. I've added Parker Hannifin. So hopefully we'll see how that changes, whether it's good or not, but I figured I'll make some changes. Growth stocks. So pretty much this is a sector that I put where there's no dividends. But then there are stocks that I like. So like Roku up 118%. So materials, I made some changes as well for materials. I added gold, and then I also added air product and chemicals in Newmont. So I'm gonna see if making these changes will increase my material sector. And then for my energy, basically it's down 29%. Again, I also made some changes in there. I added OKE, and I added Kinder Morgan KMI. So let's see if that made any changes. For activities, basically I just made some deposits, and I got some dividends. Made a deposit of 50 on March 6th. Got some dividends from the bonds. Made another deposit of 25, and then another deposit of 50. So that's how basically I was able to create up to $650, just consistently just putting in money, and using dividends to help increase my portfolio. That's a quick look at the portfolio that I have. We'll see how the market goes next week. Again, appreciate you taking the time. Please, again, if you haven't done so, subscribe, hit that like button, make a comment. Until next time, aloha.